That was your choice.
We noticed a small issue with the car. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. I'm starting off this vlog by eating a very healthy lunch. Chicken breast, a little bit of rice, and some snap peas. Teriyaki sauce. Today on the S13 we're going to install the blow-off valve. About time. I haven't decided quite how I want to mount it. I'm thinking on the intercooler, but let me eat. We'll get to that. And I think a celebratory burnout is necessary today too. Can we just take a minute and appreciate how great this looks? This build has certainly come a very long way. Getting to drive this car was such a crazy feeling. It has been so long working on it. You guys already know how much I love the sound, but for the sake of the longevity of the turbos, I'm gonna install the blow-off valve today, and it's more of a psh sound, more like a ch than a psh. So there are a few options for the blow-off valve. We could stick it on the hot side, on the cold side, or on the side of the intercooler. We had talked about doing it on the cold side and leaning against the battery here, or maybe even just like tucking it under so you can't even really see it. But based off my smile, I think you guys already know that I want to put it on the intercooler. Tucked away right in here. Alright, here's our super professional marking on the intercooler.
The black Sharpie on the black intercooler. Yeah, so we'll get a toilet paper roll.
We'll mock up, pretend the toilet paper roll is the blow-off valve, and...
Yeah, that's how it's done.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Jail. Snap on part number for this is.
It's the most expensive toilet paper roll you'll ever see. So these are ours. This marking was on the blow-off valve. What were you trying to do here? Alright, I have to switch the battery on the camera, but I'm gonna see if I can scare Nada inside the office right now while I go to get my purse.
I thought she was right there.
This actually came out a lot better than I was expecting it to. Look at that.
Well, that's pretty much what I drew.
Yeah, it's exactly like what you drew. Take two on the toilet paper, and now it looks like this. Huzzah! Perfect. The time has come. I have my toilet paper jail blow-up valve cut out, and I know where it's gonna fit. So now I'm just gonna take this out and start grinding at this. You see my blow-up valve?
Oh, you're gonna cut this?
Yeah.
You put it on that?
Well, I thought we just run this, so then it's always open, right?
Rubber band it.
Yeah. Maybe some Gorilla Glue?
With Gorilla Glue?
Yeah, little Jesus.
I mean, that's some good engineering right there.
I mean, that would work perfect. Let's just use the toilet paper roll.
No, this isn't how it goes. Alright, but yeah, seriously, we could shove it in a little bit. Not like all the way.
We're on a super bad That's What She Said kick right now.
Can't hop into it right now.
That's what she said.
Just do things until this fits here.
That's what she said. Wait, no, but really. You want me to cut a hole and shove it in? So right as we got the intercooler off, look who got here.
What's up?
And he brought food.
Actually, Anita or whatever her name is from Uber Eats brought food.
Grow up and then get back to that blow-off valve.
That's.
It's a, yeah, it's, no, it's a, no, the second one you did. No, okay.
I lost it.
It's like, yeah. Demolished some hello guys. Some Swedish pizza.
Breadstick?
Boom,
That's
whoa.
interesting looking.
So we have a game plan now. The game plan is this. Before, we were originally going to put the headlight motor here and the blow-off valve here. Well, now you can see our new black Sharpie on the black intercooler marking here. So instead, the blow-off valve's now gonna go here, and the headlight motor is going to go here, and we're going to use buy a longer rod for the headlight. Sean turned my little toilet paper cutout thing to an aluminum toilet paper cutout thing.
It's basically a toilet paper roll.
But it's actually gonna work perfectly. I still kind of want to keep this. Once we grind a little more down, it'll fit like so.
Sick, bro.
Is that money?
It's money. It is money.
I want to name this car Money.
It's my car. You can't name my car.
What do you guys think? It has to be money something. Like, it can't just be money.
I'm thinking like the White Stallion.
The White Stallion? Hey guys, has the White Stallion been taken on YouTube yet?
Dear God, don't call this thing White Stallion.
We need a name.
White Lightning.
Nah, because Ruby Lightning, Cletus does that already. Respect to him, that's like the only reason I may not get a C5 is because he has one. I want to bring something new and unique to the table, but we'll see. I'm also just a LS sucker, so we'll
2J
see.
Swap S2K.
2J Swap S2K? No one said S2K in the comments, so.
Yes, they did.
Okay, like 2 people.
I did.
You did? So yeah, let's go ahead and continue to grind this little guy down.
Oh,
And
you missed something else I did.
power steering.
Yeah. We now have power steering.
Sweet. So does power steering work?
Well, no, there's an
Okay,
equation.
so you just mounted the pump. And you,
No, the pump was mounted. I just put the belt on.
sometimes I see things like this and I go, would you just look at it?
Would you look at it? Just look at it.
So that'll fit perfectly there. We're gonna grind this flat, weld toilet paper cutout to the flangey, and then we'll hole saw drill into the intercooler.
Aggressively.
Very aggressively.
Aggressively, just
make sure we get metal shards absolutely everywhere.
Would you look at it? Are you?
Look at you two matching.
Oh, sorry. Amelia shop. .ameliahartford.com. They're labeled Monday through Saturday, so I'm still waiting for when you give me one of these, though.
Oh yeah, these will be released soon. So ours had the brilliant idea of why don't we just kind of grind down the flange at an angle so the blow-off valve sits a little up so there's no clearance issues. Like that. So, oh. I think that's sick. All right, now we're gonna remove the intercooler in order to put the hole in it.
So you know if you screw this up, you're gonna have to call Mishy and like apologize.
I think they just laugh at us. The other one was slightly bent. This should be an easy bolt-on mod until you realize how custom this car is and how much fabrication is required for literally anything. So what? We get to have fun learning stuff. Now I'm gonna cut the other side. Alright, here's the final product. Sean ground off the paint after I cut it. It actually looks pretty good. Ta-da! So now I'm just gonna try and get all the metal shavings out of this thing. So ours went to go pick up Nada, but he should be back here soon. And when he is back, we'll have him weld the blow-off valve flange combination piece we made to the intercooler. And then we'll have
A few moments later.
It's getting late. Ours is actually gonna help weld this in the morning, and then in the morning is when I will do the install, and we get to hear this thing. I'm excited. Check this out. Hey, that looks good. I would probably say that that's money.
It is money. That's all I got. I'm tired.
The money S13?
No, the cash money S13.
Cash money! The cash money S13!
No.
Bro, what do you guys think of the name Cash Money? Got a new blow-up valve for Cash Money. We're about to hear how she purrs. Yeah, I'm liking it. Yo, Cash Money just flows. This looks like a Cash Money build too.
The next day.
Ours welded the intercooler, and here it is. Once it's cleaned up and it's like sprayed black, it'll look great. I'm just gonna go ahead and install it in the meantime because I want to hear how this puppy sounds.
I'm with it, let's do it.
Yeah. You guys, look how perfect this is. Like, I don't think we could have done this more perfect. It needs to be painted, but it's perfect.
It's
Cash money.
Cash money.
Dollar bills, y'all. Oh, crap. So I was definitely a little bit annoyed with this car when we're just like dragging on for a year trying to get this done. To the point where like I kind of fell out of love with it. But you know, after seeing her put together, after driving her, and after now seeing where the blow-off valve is mounted, I fell back in love with this car. Look at this. This is so good.
You like my car? You actually like it? She likes it!
Hey, Mikey! Look at this.
It looks really good.
That looks so good. This looks so sick. And I'm so excited on this. I angled it down so that water doesn't get into it too. But all right, let's finish buttoning her up and then hear how she sounds. Looks good? Just lie and say yes. I'm ready to hear some sounds. Let's do this. Stutter up. So let's let her warm up a little bit before we start just rubbing the shit out of her.
Feel softer?
What's the temp at?
We're loading parameters. Sorry, you gotta like tune like with old computers, so that means it takes really long. That's how we charge you guys more by the hour for tuning.
Yeah, note to self, check year of computer whenever tuning.
Yeah. How much RAM do you have? So like you have to like treat your tuner and your fabricator like you do your waiters or waitresses. You don't want them spitting in your fabrication work or your tune. It's a lot worse than your steak.
Hey, I'm gonna be the one revving the car. I'm the captain now. Well, when he was manually revving it, I didn't hear any H sounds. I heard it! It was like shh.
But it's not making sounds.
What are you, a little ricer?
Exactly. I think it's quiet.
So right now I don't think we're building enough boost in order to hear the sound that we all want to hear.
No, it's never gonna make that noise.
I believe it will make that noise. The problem is we would drive it on the road except it is pitch black outside, so we're just doing some like neutral revs to try and hear this.
So if we want to like actually get it to like we need to put it under load.
So what you're saying is we could just do a fatty burnout in the courtyard?
It's raining, I don't know, we have to do really hard on the second gear.
I mean, on a brand new clutch, it sounds like a good idea.
See how late it is?
It's so delayed. You hear the back purge of the turbos before the blow-off valve. I don't think that has anything to do with placement, does it? It is very delayed though, so I don't know. Wait, I don't think it's building pressure.
It's building some because it's opening.
It's a little delayed. So I don't know. I feel like even in neutral, we should get a loud sound, blow-off sound.
Yeah, I mean, maybe we're not getting like a good vacuum from this like point.
I feel like a gynecologist.
All right, rookie mistake. We didn't tighten the nipple on the blow-off valve. Man, I was a little disappointed there for a second. I may be speaking too soon. All right, let's see how she sounds now. My hopes kind of got up a little bit, and I don't know if they should have or not. You ready? Hey!
That was it.
That was it.
That was, you're only revving to 6.
That's it. Hey!
It's getting a little turbo flutter, and then it's blowing off like in half the time. But really it's because it still only has like a pound or two behind the spring. Once you have like 10 PSI behind that, it'll pop that valve open immediately when you let off the gas. It's just not doing it fast because you're not creating enough boost.
So once we're running and driving, we'll really hear it.
There you go. did that.
That's 1
That's
pound.
1 pound?
Before it was half of it.
I'm still learning about building boost, you guys. So we just...
Eat Lucky Charms and feed it to the leprechauns in the morning, and then.
So that's a blow-up valve. I really wish we could drive and show you guys, but we don't have headlights. We want to make sure the wideband is running correctly. So we're gonna work through the night, make sure the wideband is running, do a few wiring necessities on the car. Coming up next, we have an exhaust on its way, and then we have a dyno day. So I promise we will hear that sound. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you want to support the channel, I have a Patreon account linked below. I also have some awesome merch, or send beer, whatever works. Ecrew, we out here with love. Bye! I'll just make the blow-off noises. You hear those sick noises?
The ones coming out of your mouth?